why do they ask where we are interviewing? I had a firm ask and want me to know if the other firm makes me an offer. Here's the point that's actually very interesting. You are always much more attractive when other people are competing for you or you with interviews or offers. So what it's interesting, and I shouldn't even talk about this, but I will. When BCG candidates have offers or are getting interviews, if we tell a law firm that this person is getting other interviews and has other offers, that they really like you or whatever, all of a sudden the law firm their ears will perk up and they will say, this is something we're interested in this person. We really would like to talk to them, we're bring them back, whatever, or they'll interview them. So that happens a lot. So everyone's more attractive when other people like them. It's like that with dating, probably with a lot of things. I was in a car dealership, I remember a few years ago, and someone saw I was buying a car and they came up and they're like, oh, I want this car. They were looking at it before me and they saw me buying it. Oh, I really want it. So anything that if someone else likes it or someone else is getting it, people will like you a lot more. So that's just how it works. So you need to look, if you can, talk about that you have other interviews and offers. And if they ask you if the other firm offers you a position, that's not really appropriate for them to ask or what they offer. But if they do, just say, if they don't, just say, I decided I wasn't interested in them because of this or whatever. I didn't think it was a good fit because of this reason. And you don't need to say that they offered you something else or call them and tell them about the other offer. I don't think that's a good strategy. Okay. Here's a good question from someone, and I'm not going to use their name. But yeah, so if they ask for your interviewing, then they want to know if you got another offer. You shouldn't be telling them about the terms of the offer because that's violating the confidence of the person that made you the offer. So I would be very careful about not talking about the offer or terms because it violates the confidentiality of the employer. So the other thing too is a lot of times, and this I shouldn't tell you, but it's true, in your own firm, there may be, wherever you're working, there may be people that are making more or less money than you at the same class year because of something that they've negotiated that doesn't apply to you. I remember I was working at a firm once and there was this very accomplished woman that they wanted to make partner, but it was only like a fourth or fifth year. And they wanted her to stick around. And she said something along the lines of, okay, I will, but I only want to work 1,500 hours a year. And I want you to guarantee I'm going to be a partner. Other people in the firm found out about that. They shouldn't have. And it created think about that. Someone's guaranteed to be a partner and they have lower hours than the people that are billing 3,000 hours that may not even make partner. That's not good news. So you need to be very careful about anything you do that's disclosing that kind of information.